Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you another garden to table, how to cook Cucuzza squash, also known as Cucuzzi or Italian Cucuzza. So let's get started. So here we're going to cut it first to make sure it's edible and see how young this Cucuzza is. So it is really pretty fresh and young. The seed is not very mature, and then I'm going to cut it in half and peel it. As you can see, it's still very young and is the right size, because if you let it grow too long or too mature, it will be inedible. So here I already chop it and de-seeded, and then I have ready here in a hot frying pan with olive oil, and I pour some bell pepper and saute it also with onions. Just gonna mix it together, and then garlic as well. And I devein shrimp. You could use like pork, chicken, whatever meat you have available there, but here I'm using really shrimp, fresh shrimp. So here, just not to overcook it so much, just you can turn it over to the other side and then set it aside in a separate plate. And then next we're going to cook pour the Cucuzza. Here we'll just mix this together. You can cover it so that it will going to cook quickly. And then I have here some roasted tomatoes. Can mix it as well, and then put back the shrimp for flavor and continue cooking, and then boil it a little bit, cook it for a couple minutes, and make sure that the Cucuzza squash is tender and ready. And then you can serve it with black rice, or eat it as is, or even you can eat this with noodles or pasta. And if you have not watched my previous videos of harvesting fall garden harvest, I'll leave the link below in the description if you like, or if you are interested or curious on how to grow Cucuzza or bottle gourd, I have a whole playlist there for you. You can check it out if you want to, or the next video after this. So there you guys, thank you for joining me in cooking my Cucuzza squash. And there's a lot of ways to cook Cucuzza squash, and it's just one of this ways. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.